Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Ishant Inside. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about installing Python pandas offline in computer system. So without wasting time, let's start. To install Python pandas in your computer system, I will be giving you a zip file. Okay, and how we are going to deal with this, I will be explaining you. First of all, go to the start menu. Go and type IDLE. Click here. Here we have an IDLE official software of Python. It is the interpreter, you can say that. So here we can see that the Python 3.12.3 version is there. Let's try to write a simple pandas program. So I'm going to import the libraries, import pandas as PD here, press enter. As you can see there, a message is flashing here, no module name pandas. Since we do not have pandas library installed in our computer system, we are going to deal with this error. How we are going to deal with this? Let's find here. Go to the video description, you will find a link. After clicking on that link, you will find a py package or py pandas package as I am showing you here. Download and extract it here. After extraction, just a minute, let me extract it. It will take some time, depend on your computer system. After extraction, you will see a file, not file, you will see a folder py pandas package. Just open it by double clicking in it. Then here are the libraries. Just click on the address bar as I am showing here. Give a right click and copy the address as I have shown. Okay, so basically it is a folder where your pandas library is present. Now go to again the start menu and find the command prompt as I have shown. Now let me zoom it just a minute. Okay, here you have to type a command as I am typing. The message is also flashing on the screen. Pip install pandas no index f in small letter, and then within the double quotes the address that you have copied. So give a double quotes here first, give a space, and then right click and paste the address that you have copied here. I am again going to show you. This is the address that we have copied here. So just right click here on the command prompt and paste here. After pasting, enclose it with the double quotes and press enter. So as you can see here, you are getting an error. Pip is not recognized. Now why this error is showing? Because we have not set the Python pandas path or Python path. So how we are going to deal with this issue? Let's look at here. First of all, go to the control panel. Go to the programs and features or add remove programs. Then find out the Python version that is installed in your computer system. In my case, it is Python 3.12.3. Click here. Let's validate again and again. So here you can see that Python 3.12.3 is there in my computer system. So I'm going to click on the 3.12.3. Click here and then click on change so that we can change the setup options. Now here you have to click the modify option. Click here, and then next here you are not required to make any changes here. Click next, and now here let me zoom here just a minute. Here you will find add Python to environment variables. Check here and just go ahead by clicking install. As you can see, the modification was successful. Thank you for using the Python 3.12.3 64-bit. Close here. Close this window also, or you can also minimize as per your requirement. Now again you have to type the same command here. So the pip install pandas, and after that hyphen no, then hyphen index space -f, and then the address. Paste it here, your address that you have copied. Okay, so inside the double quotes paste the address, again double quotes, then press enter. After pressing enter, your installation process will be started. As you can see in the screen, installing collected packages pandas. So now your pandas library is about to install, and very soon it will be installed in your computer system. It depends on your computer system speed. Generally it will take around 15 to 20 seconds only, but basically it depends on your computer speed how it long takes. So as you can see, successfully installed pandas. So here we have successfully installed pandas library. Now let us go to the IDLE again. Type IDLE, click on the IDLE, and now let's try to write a Python pandas program. Say I am going to create a simple series, empty series, import pandas as PD. Then as you can see, when I have entered module not found error is now eliminated. Now I am going to create a simple series. Ser is equal to pd.series. I am going to create a simple empty series. So I am going to pass the series object. As now as you can see, we have successfully created an empty series. So it is a simple program for demonstrating you that how we are going to create an empty series. Since we are not getting any kind of error here, it can be concluded that we have successfully installed this library here. So thank you, and if you really like this video, please give a thumb and subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. God bless you all.